Hi, let me show you two ways how you can open Control Center without swiping down on iPhone 16e. The first way is we need to go in Phone Settings. Here find Accessibility tab. And after that, we need to scroll a bit down and select Touch. And right now go in Assistive Touch and enable this feature by tapping on its switcher, so you will see this floating button on the screen. Now we need to click it once and you will see this list of features. For example, go to Home Screen, open Device Controls. But we are interested in Control Center, so to trigger it without swiping down from top right corner, you just need to tap on this feature Control Center and it will be immediately opened, as you can see. Now another way how we can open it, so we can go back in this Assistive Touch and set double tap for opening Control Center, for example. So now we'll need to simply double tap this button to trigger Control Center, or we can do the same for long press. So we can long press it and trigger Control Center. Let's disable it and I'm gonna show you second way how we can trigger it. For that, we need to simply go back in Accessibility setting, select Touch again, and now scroll all the way down to find Back Tap. And now either choose double tap or triple tap, and as for an action, set Control Center. Let's try this out with double tap and select Control Center. Now we need to double tap back part of the phone to trigger Control Center, but sometimes the feature is lagging. So let's try this out again. I'm gonna double tap and yep, Control Center opens. We can also try this out with triple tap, but it will be more complicated. But we're gonna try this out. 1, 2, 3. And yes, it's working. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.